but at will because of one Nyesom Wike. It tells you that Abam, Nyesom Wike, Ikwerre Benin, and they see a cheap person. A cheap person is in your people. And I know see, when people don't know their roots and their history, a she, like I said before, is one of the dispersal point of Igbo. All of them, they are all Uratta people. All Uratta people are from Owerri, are from Etche. Then the greatest deity in Igboland, Amobi, is at also. Amobi, that's the headquarters of Amobi's worship. And an Etche man. What you want to achieve by denying who you are? And Ikwerre man is saying he's from Benin. Which Benin be that? Me, even I don't like Igbo people. I don't like them. Because of their behavior, I don't like them. But I can never deny that Igbo blood flows in my veins. First, Abia and Abam. Yeah, the brother. After the brother. Abia Abam. After Abam. Abi Uzakole man. After Uzakole. Abi Imweri man. My family came from different areas. My ancestors came different part of Igbo and congregated there in Igboland. God assimilated. Yes, I have pure Igboland. From Kigamaki, from Okio, from Agbani Okio, from Okwari, from Mangibo. These are pure proto-Ijo and Ijo stock. Biological. So as I have it there by I have a little book. I have Ada. Two Adas. So I've never denied. But that does not mean that when Igbo people do something that is wrong, I will not say that you are wrong. I will not deny that. I will fight Igbo people who are wrong, but I will not deny. I don't owe anybody an explanation as to who I am and what I am. But I cannot deny who I am. Today, 90% of the people doing business with me are Igbo people. Percent of the people doing business with me are Igbo people. And when I see any trace of dishonesty among them, I tell them, no, don't bring this something. If I hate Igbo, I will not go and marry an Afia woman. At least still establishing my Abam link. Because the Afia, the Abribas, with the Abam itself, where the Abam federal, the Abam is fighting force. With the arrows. I know who I am.